Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm just going to do a quick video here, how to change the wiper blades on your vehicle. I know most of our subscribers don't need this, but this is for those who've never done it before. Anyway, you look at these wipers here, see how they're not cleaning very well in a lot of spots. When you got something like that, that means it's time to replace them. So I just picked up a set at Walmart. To figure out which ones you need, you can look it up on the internet, or in this case in Walmart they had a catalog. I just looked up the year, make and model, which is 2018 GMC Terrain, and it gives you the part numbers for the wiper blades you needed. So the whole point behind doing it yourself is you'll save a little bit of money, but the biggest thing is you save time. If you get it done at a shop, you got to call, make an appointment. Say you got an appointment for 2 p.m., you show up 10 minutes early, and 9 times out of 10 you end up waiting an extra half hour, 45 minutes before they even get your car in. So doing it yourself will save a little money, but the biggest thing is it saves a lot of time. Anyway, let's go out and I'll show you how to change them. Okay guys, for this particular vehicle we bought some Rain-X Silicone Advantage. I found out what size it needed just from the booklet that was available at Walmart. So these ones are fairly simple. On these ones here, you just lift this up, and they slide right off. And then you take the new one. Now oftentimes you have to change this. They'll come with several different kinds of adapters, but this one here happens to be the right one. So on this one here, you just push that in, lift that up. Set that down in, slides on, then it locks in place, and it's got a little protector on it. Just remove that. So that one's installed, very easy. Like I said, sometimes you have to change the adapters on them, but this one here just happens that it comes with the right adapters right with it. Just pull out the longer one. As you can see, oftentimes they're different lengths. This one here is 18 inch and these are 24. So we'll just come over to this one. Like I said with the other one, just lift that tab, slide them back, comes right off. Push the tabs on this one, open it up, slide it on, lock it in, remove the protector. Done. Just like that. I'll show you the improvement for wiping the windshield. Okay. Now see how it wipes clean? So that's a big improvement. Before it was leaving streaks and stuff on the windshield. Now it's a lot better. Okay, just so happens I need to replace them on my truck as well. This one here uses a little bit different ones. This one here I got to press that down and pull out. And as you can see, these are different. So I'll remove this. There. So I'll just pop the ends off the old one. That's the old one. Slide the new one right in. Do the same on the other side. Pop that off. Pop that off. There, just like that. Like I said, they usually come with a bunch of these ends. You have to switch out to whichever ones you need. Anyway guys, that's it. I know pretty simple video, but might help somebody. Anyway guys, we'll catch you in the next one.